Welcome to our tutorial on nested tables. In this video, we will explore how to create and work with nested tables, which are powerful tools for organizing complex data. Whether you are handling matrices, simulating databases, or representing hierarchical structures, nested tables can make your code more efficient and easier to manage. Let us dive in and see how nested tables can enhance your Lua programming skills. Here, outer table is a table containing 3 nested tables. Each nested table, or inner table, contains 3 numeric values. To access the elements in these nested tables, you use 2 sets of square brackets. The first set specifies the index of the inner table, and the second set specifies the index of the element within that inner table. This example demonstrates how to create a nested table in Lua and access specific elements within it using indices. This technique is particularly useful for organizing and manipulating multi-dimensional data. Here, outer table is a table containing 2 nested tables identified by the keys row 1 and row 2. Each nested table contains key value pairs where A and B are the keys, and their corresponding values are numerical. To access the elements in these nested tables, you use dot notation. The first part specifies the key of the nested table, and the second part specifies the key of the element within that nested table. This example demonstrates how to create a nested table with named keys and access specific elements within it using dot notation. This method is especially useful for creating more readable and manageable data structures, as you can refer to elements by descriptive names rather than numerical indices. This loop iterates over each element in outer table. I is the index of the current element in outer table. Inner table is the nested table at the current index. This loop iterates over each element in the current inner table. J is the index of the current element in inner table. Value is the value of the current element in inner table. This statement prints the indices and the value of the current element. It constructs a string showing the current indices and the value. This example demonstrates how to iterate over a nested table using nested for loops. The outer loop iterates through the main table, and the inner loop iterates through each nested table, printing the indices and values of all elements. This technique is useful for examining or processing all elements in a nested table structure. The following example demonstrates how to represent a matrix using nested tables in Lua and how to access specific elements within the matrix. Matrices are essential for various computational tasks, including mathematical operations, graphics programming, and data manipulation. By organizing data in a matrix format, you can perform complex operations efficiently and clearly. Database is a table containing two nested tables, users and posts. The users table contains records with user information, ID, name, and age. The posts table contains records with post information, ID, user ID, and contents. This structure allows you to store and manage related data efficiently, simulating a simple database. To access specific elements within these nested tables, you use dot notation combined with index numbers. The example demonstrates how to simulate a simple database using nested tables in Lua. By organizing user and post data in separate nested tables, you can efficiently store and retrieve related data. This technique is particularly useful for applications requiring structured data storage and retrieval, such as content management systems or user databases. Company is a table representing a company with a name and a departments table. Departments is a nested table containing two key value pairs, IT and HR. Each department is itself a table of employees. Each employee is represented as a table with name and position. This structure effectively models a company's organization with departments and employees. To access specific data in this nested table, you use dot notation for the main table and nested keys and indices. This example demonstrates how to model hierarchical data using nested tables in Lua. By organizing the company's information into departments and employees, you can efficiently manage and retrieve data related to different parts of an organization. This approach is useful for applications requiring structured and categorized data, such as employee management systems or organizational charts. Nested tables are a fundamental concept in Lua, offering a flexible way to handle complex data. By mastering nested tables, you can efficiently manage multi-dimensional data, simulate database-like structures, and organize hierarchical information. Understanding how to create, access, and manipulate nested tables will enhance your ability to design and manage structured data in your Lua applications.